For the start, we have to take our hair away from our face so that it will be easier for us to work the art. So you're gonna need some clips. I'm using these purple clips of mine. They are my favorites. So whatever clips you have will works very well. Okay, next steps, I'm using my Revlon Color Stay Liquid Eyeshadow. I use this as primer. This one helps the eyeshadow. This helps to enhance the color of the eyeshadow. So you don't need much of this one. After this one, just tap using your finger or using your brush. Okay, the first color for eyeshadow that I'm using is the color Spark. This is the gold, dark bronze color. And this is the way I actually applied my shadow. I just tap it gently to my eyelid, and I don't like to rub them, but whatever works for you is also okay. I just like to use this way. The next color that I'm using now is the color Wanderlust. This is a nice purplish color. And for the brush, I'm using my old MAC blending brush, which is the MAC 217. Now the color number 3, I'm using HOLA Toasted. This is from Benefits Cosmetics. Just keep on blending so that they will blend in together and to remove any harsh lines. And for eyeliner, I'm using two kinds of color. The other one is black, which is the one they tattoo, the K palette, and the other one is from Estee Lauder Double Wear color Cappuccino. So after the eyeshadow, we're gonna finish the makeup, and now we're gonna go to the concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer number 30. And now it's time to blend. I only use one sponge. The other side I use to blend for my concealer, and the other side of my sponge I use it to blend my foundation. For this thing, I don't need so much a sponge or tools just for blending. So one sponge is enough. And then to seal the deal, I'm using my MAC NC40. Now it's time for contouring. I like to contour my face because it adds a little bit of definition so that it will look more live, not so flat. And for the nose, of course, I'm still using the HOLA Toasted, and I'm using the MAC 217 brush. And for my eyebrows, there's only one product I use for this one is the Maybelline mascara. I like this one because it's waterproof, and using this one is really, I like it actually. So this is very easy to use. And for the lipstick, I'm using, of course, my all-time favorite, Huda Beauty in color Trophy White. This one is a very beautiful color. Okay, we're almost finished. Now it's time for me to do my hair. So this is the finished product, guys. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned something a little bit on how to play with colors in your eyes. So next time, please join me also. We're gonna be doing the red French lips. And if you want to check more below, I do have also other makeup video, which is my everyday natural looking makeup. Just click on top of this video and you will see something more on that. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.